Okay. There's a hammer and packed here to get this out. All right.
It's not working.
Very well. Appears to be on there pretty good. It's coming, but slowly. Glued in there with something. Probably O-rings that are well stuck. All right. Where's the oil?
Right there.
This stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Did you bring your funnel?
No, there's one over there, though.
One right here, though. They going in? I can't see.
Yeah.
Good. How much you want in there?
All of it.
All of it? You're saying all right now?
Yep.
What if it's too much?
It won't be.
It won't be? Okay.
No.
It'll seek its way out if it doesn't like
Yeah.
it. Okay, bring it back.
If it's not leaking, it's empty.
So you can't do that on a rack, because the rack it holds the bike up.
Yep.
See, that's the advantage of being on the ground. You can do stuff like that. Here, throw that back in there so you don't need it. Okay, I can put this back in, right?
Yep.
Tight enough for you?
Sure.
Good. Okay, where's your foot peg?
Right.
Where's your brake lever?
Brake lever's right here.
Foot peg.
Spring's right there.
Okay, where do you want this put on at?
Straight up and down.
Does that line up with the other side? I think I'm angled back one notch.
No, it's right.
See, it's angled back on my side.
All right, then angle it forward.
I'm gonna go forward. Well, you have to look across. They're not necessarily the same on both sides, you know. That's more in the center.
There you go. That looks even.
Looks good there.
Yeah, fuck it.
You don't like to change it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, where's that quarter drive ratchet? Right here. Okay, lean me up a little bit. Get it in the ground under here.
Also, the benefits of having a tall sissy bar.
Okay, that's tight. All right, we got this thing here. Where do you want this at? On the bike?
Yep,
Okay.
that'll work.
Anywhere that fits?
Yep.
Well, you put the lock washer on the wrong side there. Ooh, that's pretty high up.
Excuse me.
That's pretty low.
I'd rather it high than low.
Yeah, but I'm not sure where it is under here. In the video. The next position up is higher.
Yeah, that's fine.
Once it's all the way in, I don't know how close we are to here, but I think we're going to be too low. So it wants me again.
I'd rather just have it too high.
That's
Fuck
the
it.
position. Okay, take a break. I don't bend that way too easily. Okay, so we're at. We're on this one.
Yeah.
Put it in there like that. See how it slides over on the other side? Okay, so This one here. Well, who's the dumbass that did that?
You!
Stupid. So now you get interrupts on a stupid phone. What time is it?
It's 2:30.
2:30. Just past lunchtime?
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, dumbass, that goes this way. Is that right? Okay, it goes right there like that. Yeah. Okay, now that has to go on there. You use this to do this with. See how you do this?
Almost.
Yeah, well, I'm at the right angle, so moving enough crap out of the way, I'll get over where I can get to. It helps if I'm in the right angle. I'm too far out anyway. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, well, I'm too far, see. Got too carried away there with the hammer. There we go.
Look at that.
Tricks of the trade. Now you beat on it. Where's the bolt? Bolt just goes in the hole. See how the bolt won't go in?
Yeah.
Steady pressure your hand. Beat on it until it goes in. See?
There you go.
When it lines up with the groove, it pops up in.
Nice.
Back on the ground. See how that bolt's a little bit too tall now, so gotta drop it down a little bit. You put your lock washer in there. And the nut, where'd the nut go?
Right there.
Standard looking nut. Hold the nut, rotate the bolt until it goes into thread. There you go. Once it's on there, you're good to go. Okay, where's the 1/2 inch wrench?
It's right there.
Now, if you had the correct length bolt in there, you could put the opening on that thing and you get the wrench back out. But when the bolt's too long, you can't do that.
Oh well.
You have to hold the open in. Okay. Okay, hold this wrench. I'm going to use 2 hands here to do this. I got to push up really hard to keep it from slipping out. That's good. See, normally I have the open end of the box on here. I can pull tight with the box. Now I got to try to torque it with a bolt, which is a lot harder. Okay, that goes up. Okay, this goes up on the peg where it belongs. Looks like you got about the right amount of brake. You maybe can take a little bit of that out. I'm not sure. You have to jack it up, spin a tire, and see how much drag is on it. But
yeah, I can do that later.
you can probably go a little bit tighter than what it is right now, I bet. Okay, the filter's in there, which I'm sure you never change in your life, so it should be fine. Okay, so we got oil in here. This side's all buttoned up.
We have 1 quart in there.
You got to tie this up to where it needs to be.
Yep.
Put a zip tie on it before you get out of here. How's our charger looking?
I don't know, full, almost.
Down to 1 or 2 amps now?
At 2.
2, so that should be just about full. I assume you're still on 6, right?
Yep.
Okay. Looks good. Okay, what do we got going on the other side? Foot peg is on it now. Is it all torqued?
Yeah.
Did you get this good and tight?
Yep. I think. Yeah, check it.
1/2 inch wrenches are over there. And this here. Give me double boxes, 2 of them.
Here's
Double
1/2
box.
inch.
Just 2 double box wrenches. Look in a bucket, I see one of them.
There's one.
He's probably
Oh,
got
the other
one
one's
out.
over here. Hold on. I'll be right back. Here you go.
It came all over the seat.
Yeah, dude. Fucking get my nice clean seat all fucking dirty over here.
We oil it up for you.
Yeah, there we go.
Make it nice and slick. Slick.
I like it.
Because these come in handy because you got the 1/2 and 9/16, so it usually works on everything you're doing. That's pretty tight. Okay, get this one over here. Flip it around the 1/2 inch. That's pretty snug. Flip it the other way for 9/16s. That's good. I'm assuming that's all torqued, isn't it?
Yeah, 9/16 there.
Tight. Good. Okay. Chain's good. You retighten the axle up, or?
Yeah. You want just double check it for me, because I know you like to do mega torque on it.
Did you pull it back equally when you did it?
I think so. Yeah. Have a look.
I can't look at axle adjustment. That's you. What's the axle nut at? That's pretty good. Tire's just about done.
Yeah. I'll do a couple more burnouts on it.
That's about all you got in it. You need new tires anyway. You drive too fast.
Yep.
Okay, so we should have everything.
We have 1 quart in the thing.
1 new quart.
One new
That's
quart.
enough. We'll start the bike up and then we'll see how much gets back into the tank. We'll run it for about 3 to 5 minutes and then we'll check the oil at that point.
Okay.
Which one did you bump in, the 60 or the 70? 60. Yeah, 60. We're going to run a mixture of 60 and 70 because it's hot. So we got, what, 2 and 2, wasn't it? Yeah, 270, 260. So it'll be 65 weight when we're done. When winter time comes up, we'll drop back to 50 or 60. But for now, that's good. All right. All right, let me get it all cleaned up. We'll be back.